Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to work on a hack which will help us remove pilling from clothes, also known as fuzzball or lint ball. On your clothes you get these tiny fabric ball, especially for those clothes which have been used for a long time, like even sometimes on your bed sheets, bed covers, you will see these tiny fabric balls on it. This is what is called pilling or lint balls, and basically the method of getting rid of them is quite simple. Nowadays in market you do get special machines, tiny machines to get rid of this thing. Nevertheless, there is also an option which you can use at home and get rid of this thing without buying the machine. So let's look at this hack. So friends, as you can see, these are the lint balls that I was talking about on your fabric. For this, you will simply require a new razor. Try avoiding using an old one, as a new one will be sharper and easier to remove. And all you have to do is work your way on this thing by just moving over the area like you would be drawing lines with the razor. Normally how we would tend to use the razor in that way. However, on the fabric that you require to remove the fuzz ball or the lint ball from. And as you can see, the area looks much more neat and clean in this way. Can you see? It's mostly cleared up. Now I'll show you exactly. This is how it will start looking once you get a collection of it. I'll show you on another place where there's more of this thing, and simple way, just use the razor as you would normally use to shave hair. So now you're going to shave off this ball from your fabric, and there, this is another bit of collection. So friends, it's quite a simple and low cost method of getting rid of these tiny balls which actually look very terrible on your fabric, and you know it feels like it's way too old. Sometimes even if the fabric is not of a good material or something, they might tend to give away by leaving such kind of fuzzball. So use this method and I'm sure you'll be very happy to find your fabric in a very good condition even after years of using. So friends, hoping this hack was useful. Yes, I know it is a common hack. However, not many people have tried this hack and don't really know if it works or not. So we have tried this and it works well, except that you have to be a little careful with the sharp blades of the razor so that you would not tear across your fabric. If you use it in the right way, in a lighter mode, you will know exactly how much of strength is required in order to remove this fuzz ball or lint ball. So hoping to get more new hacks. I'll see you next time with another new episode of How Hack. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do leave in your comments and suggestions. I would love to read them. See you next time. Bye.